Estonia is short on workers in over 60 job categories, and by 2035 they'll need thousands more specialists than they have. That's not a maybe, that's a country actively looking outside its borders to fill jobs. If you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, India, or the Philippines and you've been trying to find a real, legal way into Europe, Estonia is quietly one of the most realistic doors open right now. Estonia is part of the European Union and the Schengen zone. That means once you're legally working there, you have visa-free access to move around 26 other European countries. You're not just getting one country, you're getting a doorway into all of Europe. It's also one of the safest, most efficiently run countries in the world. Almost everything is digital. And because they genuinely need workers, this isn't a place where you're competing against thousands of locals for one job. The demand is real, and it's in your favor. Now let's talk about where the actual jobs are. Estonia's biggest shortages right now are in 5 areas. 1. Information technology. Software developers, cybersecurity specialists, and data analysts. This is one of Estonia's most in-demand sectors. You can earn from €2,200 to €4,500 plus per month. 2. Healthcare. Nurses, caregivers and medical support staff are in demand across the country, with salaries ranging from €1,800 to €2,800 per month. 3. Engineering. Mechanical, electrical and industrial engineers are in high demand. Salaries range from €2,200 to €3,200 per month. 4. Construction and skilled trades. Electricians, welders and general construction workers can earn from €1,600 to €2,500 per month. 5. Hospitality. Hotel staff, kitchen workers and chefs. With tourism growing, this sector is constantly hiring and is often one of the easier entry points if you don't have a specialized degree. Salary, €1,100 to €1,700 per month. If your skill set falls into any of these 5, you already have a real shot. Now, where do you actually go to find these jobs? Here are 3 real websites. workinestonia.com, cv.ee, cvkeskus.ee. Here's something almost nobody tells you, and it's the reason a lot of good applications go nowhere. Before a human recruiter ever sees your CV, it usually passes through something called an ATS, an applicant tracking system. This is software that scans your CV for specific keywords tied to the job. If your CV is written the way you'd write it for a job back home, using different terms or a different format than what that system is scanning for, it can get filtered out automatically, before anyone even looks at it. So when you apply, read the job description carefully and match your CV language to their exact wording. If they say, customer service specialist, don't write, client support agent, say exactly what they said. Keep your formatting simple. No fancy tables or graphics that confuse the scanner. And tailor your CV for each job instead of sending the same one everywhere. This one adjustment alone can be the difference between silence and an actual response. Can you bring your family? Big question a lot of you are thinking about, can you bring your family with you? In many cases, yes. Once you're working in Estonia on a long-term visa or residence permit, you can generally apply to bring your spouse and children through family reunification. It's a separate process from your own work visa, and it typically comes after you've secured your own status. Let's put this all together into your actual roadmap. Step 1. Pick your lane from the 5 in-demand fields we covered. Step 2. Build or rework your CV specifically to match Estonian job listings, using their exact keywords. Step 3. Apply directly through workinestonia.com, cv.ee, and cvkeskus.ee. Apply to more than one, don't wait on a single application. Step 4. Once you get a job offer, your employer handles the visa or residence permit registration on their end with Estonian authorities. Step 5. Your visa or permit gets processed. This typically takes several weeks, so apply and follow up, don't just sit and wait silently. Estonia genuinely needs workers, and if you're in the right field, this is one of the more realistic paths into Europe available right now. So tell me in the comments, where are you watching from and which of these 5 jobs matches what you do? I want to know what you're most interested in. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video breaking down more European work visa opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.